Here at Carz R Us, we offer an extensive fleet service package. And one of the things that we're going to talk about today is the value that we offer to our fleet customers, starting with our inspection quality, and really what that relates to is vehicle downtime, as well as not having to bring the vehicle back in for service. So getting everything addressed at one time, which is extremely important to fleet customers because you're reliant on that vehicle to produce for you. So the more it's in the shop, the less production it is. So what the biggest thing that we do is our inspection quality. First off, every inspection of your vehicle that comes into Carz R Us is going to be between 30 and 45 minutes. So we're spending a significant amount of time on your vehicle to make sure that we don't miss things. Now, are we human? Of course. There's things that sometimes you just can't see, right? We've had a cradle that's cracked that you can't actually see even without taking things off the vehicle. That's not something we're going to catch. Everything that's on the vehicle, brakes, steering suspension, fluids, anything in our inspection that is a topic, we're going to cover. And it's very extensive. So that's going to save you time and money because you're not going to have to bring that vehicle back in. So now, what do we do with that inspection? We digitize it. So it's going to have pictures and video of everything in the vehicle that you're going to be able to see in an easy to understand manner. Your checkoff procedure for approval is right there. You can see the line item, the cost, and you can either mark it approved or declined right there on the inspection. So it's simple and it's easy to see what your budget's going to be on that vehicle. Do you want to just do repairs? Do you want to get some maintenance in there along with it? We're going to have it in priority order so it's easy to understand and easy to say, okay, where's my line in my budget? You just go to that point and then you stop, and you know the bottom ones are less priority than the items at the top, okay? And then what is that going to do for you? That's going to save you tow bills because you're going to get everything at once. You're going to be able to avoid issues while you're on the road. And it's also going to save you that downtime so you can get everything done at once with a simple process that is cost effective and going to save you a lot of time with your drivers out producing for you versus having the vehicle in the shop. So any questions with our fleet service here at Carz R Us in Machese Park, give us a call. We're happy to walk you through it, and it's a great procedure that will definitely save your company money.
877 4277